Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G200, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here in the search pool type the Ampere. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds. Now just open the app. Here click yes I agree, be close, and on the left down corner tap to the OK. And as can you see, got here the info about our battery temperature, that is 28 degrees. And also got here more information about the level, health, voltage, and capacity of our battery, the model of our device and Android version, and more info. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.